If AnyDesk is stuck on waiting for image, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes you can try right now to get the remote screen loading again. We'll adjust AnyDesk performance settings, force a refresh using the display actions, and then check Windows Firewall to make sure AnyDesk is not being blocked. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, we're going to adjust the performance settings inside AnyDesk. This is one of the best fixes if the remote screen is taking too long to appear, especially on slower computers or weaker internet connections. Open AnyDesk, then go to Settings and select Display. Inside the display settings, look for the Quality option. Change it to Best Performance. This tells AnyDesk to prioritize speed over image quality, which can help the remote image load much faster. Next, scroll down to the video settings. Here, you want to look for the Renderer option. If it is set to Direct 3D, try switching it to OpenGL instead. In some cases, this can solve display problems right away. If the issue still continues, temporarily disable hardware acceleration if that option is available. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause conflicts on certain systems, so turning it off can help AnyDesk render the image properly again. After making these changes, try reconnecting and see if the remote screen now loads. Now let's move on to the firewall and network check. Sometimes AnyDesk is not actually broken at all. It is just being blocked by Windows security settings. To check this, click the Windows search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it from the search results. Once the firewall window opens, look for the option that says Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click that and then find AnyDesk in the list of allowed apps. If AnyDesk is listed, click Change Settings so you can edit the permissions. Then make sure both boxes are ticked, Private and Public, and click OK to save the changes. This allows AnyDesk to communicate properly over the network, which can fix the waiting for image problem if firewall restrictions were the cause. After that, restart AnyDesk and test the connection again. If you still have trouble after these steps, it may also help to restart both computers and make sure AnyDesk is updated to the latest version. A simple restart can clear temporary connection issues, and updating the app can fix bugs that cause image loading problems. So to recap, if AnyDesk is stuck on waiting for image, first lower the quality and adjust the renderer in the display settings, then use the lightning bolt action to force a refresh, and finally check Windows Firewall to make sure AnyDesk is allowed through. These fixes solve the issue in most cases and can save you a lot of frustration. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software fixes, Windows tips, and remote access tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.